Hello there. Welcome back to EBM Info. Today, we want to look at a question from question paper of June 2021. We're going to look at question 3.2 on that question paper. And this question that we're going to look at, we're going to look at pricing strategies and some questions that are there. Right. We are going to start by reading the text that we are given there of click, go, and look smart. We are going to start to read this and then we answer a question that are going to follow. The question reads, Air4 is a new domestic appliance that irons your clothes for you. You can take your clothes from the washing machine, hang them on Air4, and press start. This amazing appliance will dry and iron your clothes. So this is what we are given, and then we need to read it and understand it before we attempt to answer the questions. So the first part of the questions, question it reads, is Air4 an invention or innovation? Substantiate your answer. Substantiate your answer. So what the question is asking you is to identify whether this is an invention or an innovation. But obviously we know that when it's an invention, it's something that has not been made before. It's something new that is coming as new, not been made before. It's not something that is being modified. That's what we mean by an invention. Then innovation, you'd see that innovation comes as a process of taking useful creative ideas and converting them into useful products, services, or processes. So you see that this involves shaping the already existing products. So you see the difference that we are having between invention and innovation. That on innovation, we are saying it's something that has been there, but it's being modified to become a better something. So this is what we have. So if you look at the passage there, we'll see that Air4 is a new domestic appliance. So obviously this is going to be an invention. So and the reason of substantiating is we are trying to explain that it's a new thing that is coming in. So we go to 3.2.1. We are saying 3.2.1. So the answer that we have there it's innovation. It's invention. Invention is the answer that we have. And the explanation that we are going to give there is that it is a product that has not been made before. That's the supporting answer that we have there. Supporting explanation. We can just say it is a product that has not been made before. So this is what we have on the first part of this question. Then we go to the next question is saying, give 3 reasons why creativity is crucial for business today. Give 3 reasons why creativity is crucial for business today. So basically, we can start by understanding what we mean by creativity. So you see that creativity comes as a process of generating new ideas and the ability to combine ideas in a unique way. So when the process of generation of new ideas is what we call by creativity. And we also there should be the ability to convert these ideas to become practical. That's what we call creativity. So this question is asking us for reasons why creativity is crucial in our businesses. Because when there's creativity, it means we're going to have new ideas. We're going to improve our products. It's going to help us on problem solving. Whatever problems that you are facing, when there's an element of creativity, it means from that process of creativity, we are going to have new ideas on how to solve problems that you are facing at the moment. So this is what we have. And also creativity also brings in the element of inventions. How can you invent without when you are not creative? So you have to be creative first so that you can be able to invent something like what are the text that we are given there of F4. So this is what we so we can just go there and try to summarize on 3.2.2. And we're now on 3.2.2. So we are saying to improve products, to improve product. The question is asking for 3, so we'll try to bring them. And then problems for problem solving. And then also to bring new ideas. So this is what we have in terms of the second part of the question, and then we can go on to see on the next question. Mention 3 market segments that could be attracted by this domestic appliance. So this appliance, they are asking market segments. In other words, they are saying which people can be interested in using this domestic appliance, and those are the people that are going to be the target market. So let's try to identify those ones. Now we are on 3.2.3 market segments. We'll see that this can apply to students. Students also can be attracted to these domestic appliances, and we can include them as one of the segments. So we've got students as one of them, and then obviously people that are going to work, obviously they have to go to work presentable. They need these appliances for ironing. So we can talk about the working class. And also we can try to bring another that we can talk about. Obviously, we can talk about a group of people in terms of bachelors. Bachelors also can be interested in these appliances. So they can be a target market. So if you go back there, you would see that the question is saying mention 3. So we have mentioned 3. So this is what we have. And next question, 3.2.4, which pricing strategy could be used to introduce A4 in the market? Substitute your answer. So obviously, after mentioning your strategy, you can just try to give an explanation in terms of justifying the application of that strategy according to the situation that we are looking at. So the pricing strategies, we've got many different forms of pricing strategies that we can include. But according to the pricing strategy that we have, we can talk about scheming. Scheming can be one of the strategies. That's a 3.2.4. Scheming can be one of the strategies. Scheming can be one of the strategies. So we also want to understand what we mean by scheming. Scheming is the element of charging high price in the initial stages. When we are introducing the product, then you charge high prices. Why are we charging high prices? It's because during the period that we are charging high prices, the demand will be greater than the supply. For instance, this A4, as we are introducing it, obviously we might not meet the demand of the people, because it's a new product. Maybe we don't have the capacity to produce to satisfy all the customers. So the demand will be higher than our supply. We'll be supplying less. So during that period, we charge a higher price. Maybe if you try to analyze the movements of the forces of supply and demand, also can also be a supporting factor that when demand is low and supply is high, it's going to lead to a higher price. So this is a temporary measure that will be putting in place, that when demand is higher than supply, we are charging a higher price. But as we go on, the price can be reduced. So this is the process of scheming. And then we can also talk about the other pricing strategy that we can also include is economy pricing. Economy pricing. Economy pricing is when we are dealing with sensitive, price sensitive customers. Maybe we might face a situation whereby we're going to sell our product to price sensitive customers, whereby they are very sensitive to higher prices. If we increase the price, the demand will go down drastically. So in such a case, we might have to enter the market by introducing a price which is low, so that we win the customers. So that is what we mean by economy pricing. So if you go back to our answer, you will see that 3.2.4 is saying which pricing strategy could be used to introduce A4 in the market. So the question has got 4 marks, so two points are enough. So this is what we have on 3.2.4. Then we go to 3.2.5. Suggest 2 other pricing techniques that could be used to sell this domestic appliance. Substitute your answer. So this question is asking for other pricing techniques that we might include. So other pricing strategies that we might also include what we call odd pricing. odd pricing. This is 3.2.5. So we can just maybe try to introduce odd pricing. So the issue is, what do we mean by odd pricing? Very important. What do we mean now by odd pricing? So you'd see that odd pricing, it relies on the fact that consumers value the first digits when reading prices. So you see that when a consumer enters or a customer enters a shop, the price that customer sees, the first digit that customer sees, determines the purchase of that product. Because when for example a price is set as 17.99 rands. The customer obviously is going to see 17 as the price. This 99, the customer psychologically, the customer might not see that this price is almost 18 rand. So this is what we call by odd pricing, whereby we are putting odd numbers on the price so that we psychologically win the customer. The customer might see the price as lower, but in actual fact, the price is higher. For instance, this 17 rand 99 cents is actually 18 rand. There's only one difference between 17 rand 99 cents and 18 rand. So this is what we call by odd pricing. And also the issue of opportunistic pricing also can come into play. So you can also include opportunistic pricing. Opportunistic pricing. Obviously, opportunistic pricing now is the issue of charging higher prices as we enter the market, and then we then at the later stage reduce the prices. So this is what we have in terms of 3.2.5. So this is what we have, guys, according to this video. Let's stay tuned for more videos to come as you prepare for exams. As for this video, I'm signing out. We meet again in the next video.